Okay, let me create the same. This is which way? Which way working? We are working on snow site UI.
Oh, nice.
Snow site. Let me create one table. So create table EMP, assume like EMPTT, ID, number. One important topic today's name, varchar, city, varchar, salary. It's a number data type. Control enter. Tell me it will work. It will work.
We need to select database and scheme.
So if I want to create any database object, compulsory what required? Compulsory database name and schema name required. Okay. So select the database and select the schema. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name and schema name. Select
Current.
current database. So these are the basic things. That's why I'm doing every time. So current database.
Current
Database. Current schema. Okay, so same thing. Now in this database, in this schema, I want list of tables. How's list of tables?
Show tables.
Show tables. View list of tables. Okay, see, control enter. Okay, so this is fine. Let me create one table. Okay, now I want to fetch the data. How to fetch the data?
Select star.
Tell me.
Select
Insert
star.
into statement.
Tell me.
Insert into
fetch.
Select star.
Select, not selected. DRL, data retrieval or data. That is select statement. Select star from EMP TT. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Now what happened? Tell me now. Okay, see now I want to populate the data. How to populate the data?
Insert
statement. So see, insert into EMPP. Okay, now see, this is important concept. ID values. Totally, how many columns are there in my table? There are 4 columns are there. But how many values I am populating? How many columns? Only one column. Remaining columns, what value get populated? That is
Null.
values.
Okay, see, now we're discussing nulls concept. See the same thing. Select star from employee. Only ID column will have value. Remaining 3 columns will get null value. So now tell me now, discussing nulls. Tell me what is null? What is null? That is important.
No value.
No value. Nothing. Okay. Or anything? Nothing. Undefined. Or unassigned. Okay, see. Okay, simple thing. No value. Nothing. See here, there is no. So here, 1 is a value. This is a no value. Nothing. Or undefined or unassigned value. Okay, got the point. It's a no value. Nothing. Undefined or unassigned value. Okay, this is the functionality. Next one is that what? Okay, how nulls are populating. Okay, we'll see step by step. This is important. So first we discuss null is nothing or undefined or unassigned value or no value. How nulls are getting populated in the database table? Anyone? Tell me.
When there is no data.
If you don't pass any value and the column is null, then
okay, it's correct. Let me see what happened. So let me go back here. Now we're discussing how the nulls are getting populated in the database table. So see the same table. Okay. Control C and Control V. I'm putting create or replace. What is create or replace will do? What is create or replace? Important concept. See, as of now, table
database
is there.
Object.
Database object is there. When I put create or replace, what will happen?
Replace.
Okay, see, if object is already available, it will drop the existing object and will recreate it. So see, now how many records will be there in this table as of now?
1.
0.
No, 0, no. Table is dropped, no. When table is dropped, okay, see, let me insert. Okay, see, that means how many cards are there in my table? There Two
One
records. Two records, no? Two times. Okay, now I'm trying to, okay, see, I'm trying to create or replace. Create or replace in the sense like what? If table is already there, it will drop this table and it will recreate it. Now, how many records will be there as of now? It's a new table. There'll be 0 records will be there. It's a new table. Okay, new table in the sense like what? Data will not be available there. This is the functionality. Okay, now see. Now what happened? Totally 4 columns are there. Out of 4 columns, I am populating only 2 columns. Tell me, Twarka, 2 columns, 1 value.
No.
No, we should
No,
put
sir.
compulsory 2 values should be populated. Okay, see, 1 comma 10,000. Okay. Now tell me now how many now totally there are 4 columns in my table. Okay, see, 2 columns we are populating. Remaining 2 columns by default, what value get populated?
Null.
Null value. So see, we are ignoring how many columns? We are
Two
ignoring 2 columns. Okay, see, name and the city. So first way is that what? So how nulls are getting populated? Populated is that what? When we ignore the columns. There are 10 columns in my table. I am populating only 6 columns. Remaining 4 columns, what will I get populated? Remaining 4 values, null will be populated. See, same thing in my table. There are 4 columns are there. Out of 4 columns, I am populating only ID, salary. Only 2 columns are getting populated. Remaining 2 columns will get null value will be populated. So this is one thing. Okay. So this is one thing. Any other way apart from this thing? Any other way? How nulls are getting populated?
Yeah, default you can give it, right? For the
Default.
column.
Default will see. No. Question is that what? How nulls are getting populated? So this is one way. Any other way?
During insert itself, it's null.
Okay, we can see. Point is that what? See, totally how many columns are there? 4 columns are there. Out of 4 columns, I am putting employee ID 2 and I am mentioning null. Tell me what will happen? So by default, name and city will get null. And what about salary column? Salary column?
Salary column also
So
null.
you'll get null will be populated. See the same thing. See the second record. Okay, see we are populating 2 and by default name city we ignore, null will be populated. And we are mentioning explicitly. So this is what? This is explicitly mentioning null value. Okay, see this is important. One more way is that what? Explicitly mentioning null. Okay, so this is the function. Explicitly mentioning null value. So we are explicitly mentioning null value. So see, this is the functionality. Got that? So see, this is one way. Any other way apart from it in setting? Is there any way? So point right now we're discussing how nulls are getting populated in the table. Tell me, apart from this thing, any other way? Any other way?
In the single quotes we can give it, right? Null
Single
value.
quotes, it's a string. If I put single quote, it's a string.
Okay.
No, it's a
If
string.
if you give
No,
zero,
no, empty string I'm saying.
Empty
Empty.
string, no, it is not. Suppose let me put city column. So see, this is different. You see, empty string is not a null. So this is not, remember, null will not be equal to space 0 empty string. Okay. So this is null is a no value. Now tell me next question is that what? Okay, see. Now how nulls are getting when you perform? Tell me now I want to modify this data. How to modify this data? Modify by using what command?
update.
Update. Okay. Update empt tt set city equals to
Column name is equal to values.
null. Set equal to null. For the point of see now what happened. Now tell me now what will happen. All the records in the city column will be updated to what? Updated to null. Okay. See one more way is that what? So update statement. So by using update statement, I can populate null. Okay. So next one, anyone tell me any other way? How to add a new column? How to add a new column?
Alter table, add column.
Table.
Alter table name. table name, add,
Add
okay,
Column
address, column name, data type. Now tell me new column will be added at what?
At the last,
of
At,
last.
at the last. Now question is that what when you add it at the last, so by default what value get populated here?
Null.
Null
value.
null will be populated. So see the same. So see, okay, see already 3 records are there. For 3 records, what happened? Null value will be populated. Okay, see the same thing. So see functionality, got a pointer. So this is the functionality. So one more way is that what? That is alter statement. Alter statement. So see, so first we are discussing what? One more time. So what is null? Okay, see null is nothing. Okay, undefined or unassigned value. Okay, or no value. Okay, so same thing. Next question is that what? How nulls are getting populated? First, we should understand how nulls are getting populated. Tell me. One is ignoring the columns. Other one is that what? Explicitly mentioning
Null.
null. Okay, what about third one? Third
Update.
one.
Alter.
Update statement. Fourth one, adding a new column. So next question is that what? Okay, see why we want to handle nulls. Tell me why we want to handle nulls. Anybody? So we are discussing nulls. Fine. Now nulls are getting populated. Next question is that what? Why we want to handle nulls? What is the reason to handle nulls? Why? Tell me, anyone?
Yeah, if you want to do some calculation using that column. Okay.
Tell me.
In order to generate reports, we need meaningful information. That's why.
So see, like mainly for data quality. Okay, we can say data quality issue if you not handle null. So for proper displaying information. Okay, see the same thing. Let me go back here. Now tell me, is it good looking? Tell me
No.
nulls. No. So okay, to have the proper information. Okay, see, suppose see the same thing. Tell me, select 10 plus 10. What is output? 20. 20 plus 20 will get 40. So 40 plus null will get what?
Null.
Null.
Null. Why? Because tell me why. Why will get null?
it's no value.
See here point is that
Undefined
what?
value.
So see 10 is a value, 10 is a value, 20 is a value. So value plus null it will give null only. Null only.
Null
So this
only.
is the null only. Same thing select. So 10 minus 10 it's a 0. 0 minus null.
Null.
Null only. Select. So 2 into 2 it's a 4. 4 into null it's a what?
Null.
Null only. So null. Select. Tell me P is there, R is there. How to club two strings?
Getter pipe.
Concat or pipe symbol. So
Concatenation.
P. Okay. So same thing concat with null. What is the output you'll get?
Null.
Null. Okay, see null is the output. So point is that what? What's the conclusion? Why we want to handle nulls? Reason is that what? So whatever the operation. Okay, see operation performed with the null, it will give null only. See,
Null
simple
only.
thing, null only. See, I'm performing what? I'm performing arithmetic. I'm performing arithmetic operation. Okay, see the same thing, concatenation operation. Suppose like select star from employee table. Okay, see employee table. Okay, see employee table. Okay. Now what happened? Now see, I want to fetch this record. So Praveen Kumar, tell me where employee name equal to Praveen Kumar. It's a value, it will give data. But what happens? See, now where employee name equal to null. Tell me it work? It work? It won't work. See, point is that whatever the operations perform, like arithmetic operation, concatenation or filtering, so it will give what? It will give null only. So see, that was the functionality. So whatever the operation, like arithmetic operation, comparison operation, filtering concept, it will give null only. Next question is that what? Okay, now how to handle
Find null.
nulls. Handle nulls. Okay, now I want to handle nulls. Now, how to handle nulls? Tell me.
Replace it with
Using
values like a if null, if null.
Tell
Filtering
me.
the nulls
is null.
or
Is
Is
not
null.
null. Is null is not null.
is null, not null.
NVL function.
NVL.
Okay, see how to handle words. Tell me. NVL will use mostly three things: NVL2 and Coalesce.
Coalesce.
Okay, see NVL, NVL2 and the Coalesce. Okay, see next one is that what? Okay, now I want to handle null. So see, first we discussed what is null. Tell me one more time. Tell me.
Null
Not
is no
defined
value.
or undefined. Yeah.
Null is nothing or undefined or unassigned value. Okay, see. So see, okay, so then next we discussed what? How nulls are getting populated, ignoring the columns while performing insert. Okay, these are all insert. Okay, insert. Okay. One is update, one is alter. This is alter. Okay. So this is fine. Now why we want to handle nulls? To avoid data quality issue. So data quality issue. Okay. Then what we discussed to avoid it. Then what happened? To have proper display. So to have proper display. Proper display. Okay. So next one is that what? Okay. How to handle nulls. Like this only we should learn step by step. Okay. How to handle nulls. How to handle nulls we can handle by using NVL, Coalesce and NVL2. We'll see the same thing in detail. So these are very important. We'll work in real time. NVL, Coalesce and NVL2. So NVL is nothing but say null value. The simple thing, it's a simple use case. Null value, it having two arguments will be there. Two arguments. See, simple thing, you should say the answer. NVL 100, 200. Now I'm getting outpress 100. Same thing, NVL null, 200. Now I'm getting outpress 200.
200.
Same thing, NVL null, null. I'm getting outpress null. Tell me anybody why you're getting 100 here, 100 here.
Because it's not
Uh,
100 is not a null. That's why it's picking the
Okay.
100.
What about 200?
Yeah,
it's
it's the
checking
first
for
value is a null,
first
so that's why it's replacing.
non-null value.
Now tell me. Tell me.
It's looking for non-null value from the
No,
past.
null value. Okay, see the same thing. So let me go back here. Okay, see. Okay, so see the
It takes 100 only.
I'll explain. See the same thing. Let me help you. So definition is there. I'll try to help you. Let me take the screenshot. Okay, see, this is my table. Tell me these are what? These are values or nulls? These are values. Values nothing but these are non-null value. Okay, or not a null value. So these are all values. Okay, see, values. Okay, these are all values. Okay, see, values. Okay, see, values. And these two are what?
Null.
These are nulls. Okay, see, so nulls. Okay, see, point you need to understand is that what? Okay, see, these are values. So once you are having the values, nothing but what? These are not null values. Remaining are nulls. Okay, see, nulls. Okay, remaining values are not null values. These are null values. So see, your point is that what? NVL is nothing but what? It will pick the first not non-null value. So see here what happens having how many arguments? Two arguments. What is the first not null value? 100 is the first not null value. What is the first not null value? 200 is first not null. So both are null, it will give null value. So see, point is that what if you're not able to understand, go here. So see, select NVL A, B. Okay, see A, B. How many arguments? Compulsory two argument. First argument, second argument. Tell me first argument is not null or null value?
Not null.
Not null.
Not null value. Now output will be what?
Yeah.
A. So first not null value. See left to right. It will go to left to right. Left to right. Okay. So this is the function. Okay. So it will give out as A. Same thing, NVL null comma B. Then
B.
okay, see it is B will get B. Same thing. Suppose like NVL null comma null. Now what is the output? So see, first value is not null, take the second value. Second value is it's a null. Okay, got the pointer. So it will pick the first not null value. Got the pointer? Okay, so for same thing, let me go for Coalesce. You should say the answer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now I'm getting out as 1. Control D. Now I'm having null, and I'm getting 10. Okay, now see 10 as the output. Control D. You should say the answer. Okay. Null, 90. Now output is 90.
90.
Control D. I'm having null. Output is null. Okay. Anybody tell me what is the output? First time I'm getting 1. Second time I'm getting 10. Third time 90. And null I'm getting 1.
It keeps on checking for the not null value. If no,
See, remember?
no.
Correct. Let me see, this one also same as NVL. But here what happened? You'll having how many arguments? N arguments are there. So here also it will pick first not null value from left to right. Tell me first not null value is what? It's a 1, it's a 20, it's a 90, it's a null. Okay, so you got the pointer. So both NVL and Coalesce will pick the first not null value. What difference? Tell me difference is what? Only number of arguments. In NVL, we're having only 2 arguments, but in Coalesce, we're having n number of arguments. Okay, got the pointer. Tell me, clear so far? Any doubts, sir?
What
Anyone?
about in between null?
In between where?
In Coalesce, in between null is there. It picks only first number, right?
Okay, see now
10
first
to 1 to null 3 4.
No, it won't bother. No, it will pick the first. Already one not null is there. No, then stop here only.
Okay.
Okay, see when suppose like see when you have null at the starting, then go for next value. Okay, got the point. See if you not go back
Okay,
here,
sir,
so
got
I'll
it.
explain. Okay, see the same thing. Copy the same thing. Now go for instead of null, I'll go for Coalesce. Okay, see Coalesce. So see here answer is here only. So returns the first non-null expression among its arguments are null if all its arguments are null. See it's what saying it will pick the first how many expressions. See we can have expression 1, so n number of arguments. Return the first not null expression among its all the arguments are null if all the arguments. It will pick the first not null expression. If all the expressions are null, give null value. Okay, see the same thing. So Coalesce. Tell me the output. Output is what?
A.
A. Then here,
B.
here,
B. Null.
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 A,
First
B
null,
only.
second one, null. Third one, null. First null, second null,
Null.
second null it will do. So it will, it will do second null. So you can say second null. Okay. Now this is one result set. This is, go ahead.
Coalesce meaning what? This word. Any meaning?
There is no meaning. It's
Okay.
a function. Now see what happened. Now this is one result set. This is one result set. How to club 2 result sets? Yes, we'll discuss.
Union.
This is a result set. So see, so you don't get
Union.
concat is for string. This is result set. You should go for what? Set operators. Which set operators you prefer? Yeah.
Union all.
Union all. No, you
Union all.
should go for performance wise. Okay, union all. Okay, now tell me both are same. Huh? So see, A, B, null. Got the pointer? So see, so NVL, Coalesce are both are same. But difference is that what? NVL having 2 arguments, Coalesce will have n number of arguments. Okay, see, so it will pick the first not null. So first not null. This is the same thing. Same things. Let me go for Coalesce. Okay, 1, null, 2. Now output is what?
1.
1 no, it will stop here only. It won't go to the next value. Same thing. So see, 1 is there. Same thing. Okay, same thing. Coalesce. Okay. So null, comma, 10, comma, null. Now output is what? First
10.
model is say 10, 10, 10. Okay, so this is a function. Same thing, Coalesce, null, comma, null. Now output is what?
Null.
Null. The second null will get. Okay, this is the functionality. Got the point? Okay, so this is NVL and Coalesce. Okay, this is the functionality. Clear so far? N1. So NVL, NVL2, NVL and Coalesce are both are same. Only arguments. NVL having 2 arguments, Coalesce have n number of arguments. N. Got the point? So this is the function. Same thing. What is NVL2? Anybody knows? NVL2. NVL2. Anybody knows?
Indefinite number of.
Not like it is having 3 arguments are there. This is a little bit confusing. 3 arguments will be available. So 3 arguments. So see NVL2. Okay, 1, comma 2, comma 3. Okay, see I'll explain this a little bit confusing. Now output is 2. Control D. Now output is 3. Control D. 1. Null. Control D. Now what happened? Null. Okay. 3. Control D. Now anybody tell me? Anybody can able to help you? Tell me. Anybody can try? First one. Tell me why I'm getting 2. Anyone? Why I'm getting
Does it
3?
start from second value?
It will take second argument.
Second.
But it starts
Second
with
argument.
checking.
Then why it's not taking
Takes
second
next
argument?
to the null.
Next to the null. Huh? Why it's next to the null? Now it should take 3 now. Really? This is not anyone. Logic. Remember, SQL is a logic only. Logic you should know and you should implement. Now tell me. Now why is now null given? Why getting 3?
If first argument is not null, he's taking second argument. If first argument is null, it is picking the third argument.
Correct. I see the same thing. I'll explain in detail. So see, there are 3 arguments. First argument, second argument, third argument. Okay, see, go back here. Okay, see, that will totally 3 arguments are there. First, second, third argument. Whereas N will have 2 arguments, Coalesce will have n number of arguments. See, so here also it will check the first argument. Everything will check the first argument. Tell me, first argument is what? Null or not null?
Not null.
Not null. If it is a not
null.
null, what happened? It will take the second argument. Second argument. Tell me, first argument is null. It's a not null. If you take which argument? Second argument. So see, this is the function. So see, I'll explain here. So first argument is not null. Then it will take which argument? Take the second argument. Second. See, one more time. So control Z. Tell me first argument is not null. It's a not null. Pick which argument? Pick the second argument. Pick the second argument. Same thing. If first argument is null, what it will take? It will take which argument?
Third argument.
Third argument. So third argument. It will take the third argument. Got the point? It will take the third argument. Okay, so this is the functionality. So if first argument is null, which argument will take? Take the third argument. See one more time. So see the same thing. So see. So first argument is not null value. It will take second argument. Take second argument. That's why 2 and null. If first argument is null, it will take which argument? Third argument. Third argument. Third argument will be. Okay, see the same thing. You should say the answer here. Let me go back here. So everything is a concept. Just a concept we need to understand. We should implement. So select NVL2 1, 2, 3. Tell me first argument is null or not null?
No,
Not null.
Not null. Output will be what?
2.
2 is the output. So 2 is the output. Select NVL2 1, 2. Tell me it work?
No.
No, compulsory. How many arguments should be there? Compulsory.
3 arguments.
3 arguments should be there. 3 arguments should be there. Okay, see here. So same thing. Select NVL2 null, 2, 3. Now output is what?
3.
3. Okay, see select NVL2 null, null, comma 3. Then
3.
3 only. So 3 only.
Three.
Yes. So see NVL2 null, comma null, comma null. Okay. Now tell me output will be
Null.
null only. Which null?
Last term.
The last
Last
null.
third null.
Third null. Okay. See the same thing. This is a functionality. So now tell me now difference between NVL versus NVL2. You should say the answer.
NVL has two
Number of
arguments.
arguments.
In
Functional.
NVL we pass 2 arguments.
Ah.
In NVL2 we pass 3 arguments.
That's the difference. Huh? Okay. Any other difference? Logic difference.
Basically, it's like it's checking for the first expression in the first place, and then based on that, either it goes for the second value or the third value.
Now see correctly, but no, logical is what? See, NVL2 can handle null values. Okay. Let me put one more thing. Tell me, so if it is, tell me one is a not null value. Output will be what? Output will be 2 will get. Okay. See, NVL2 can handle not null values as well as null values. So see, this is important. So NVL and Coalesce will handle only null values are there. That's one. See what happened. Select NVL 1, comma 2. Now output is what? 1. Tell me it's handling only. Okay, suppose if I have NVL null, comma 2. Now output is what?
2.
So see, NVL can handle only null values. It is not handling not null values. But when you see here what happened, NVL2 can handle both null values. If it is null, give this value. If it is not null, give this value. So this is the reference. NVL can handle only null values. NVL2 can handle both null values as well as not null values. Got the point? So see here, it handles only if it is null, it will pick this value. If it is not null, it is not picking different values, picking the same value. But here what happened? If it is not null value, it is picking second record. If it is null value, it will be picking third record. So conclusion is that what NVL and Coalesce can handle null values. If you want to handle not null values also, you should go for what? Null values and not null, you should go for NVL 2. This is the difference. If anybody asks me difference, NVL and Coalesce will handle only null records. If it is not null and null records I want to handle, then go for what? Go for
NVL2.
NVL2. Got the point? So this is the
What is the use case for that?
We'll see the use case. This clear so far?
String also pass. String. Can you pass string also? 1, 2, some string. Null values.
NVL 1, P. Okay. It's internally it's converting to what? Converting to string.
Okay.
Good point. It's converting to string. Okay. So this is the functionality. So far good. So this is fine. Okay. Now see what happened. This is so far good. Okay. Now next one is that what select the star from employee. I'll tell the use case employee. Now here what happened now? I want to extract. Okay, only. Okay, now suppose like I want to extract Praveen Kumar. We should go for what concept? Where EMP name equal to null. Tell me it work. EMP name equal to Praveen Kumar. It is working fine. Now tell me now I want to extract this null record. Tell me equal null record.
Is null.
No.
See, so what we discussed now, we can't able to compare anything with null due null or no records. Okay, now point is that what now I want to extract null records. How to extract null records? How to extract null records? How to extract null records?
Employee name is null.
Where employee name is null.
Okay, see employee name is null concept. So is null. Okay, see the same thing. So see point is that what now I want to extract wherever name is null. So we should go for what? Is null. Okay, to view only null records. If I want to get not null records, what happen? We should go for what concept? Go for is not null. So this is the functionality. Got the point? So see here point is that what? Next to point. How to extract null records. Tell me how to extract null records by using is null. How to extract not null records by using what? By using
Is not null.
Is not null. Okay, this is the function. How to extract null records is null, and how to extract not null records, we should go for is not null, because no equal to null, it won't work. This is a functionality. One more time. So see, we'll see one more time. Null is nothing, undefined, unassigned value, no value. How nulls are getting populated? Inserting, ignoring, explicitly mentioning null, update, adding a new column. So why we want to handle nulls? Because to avoid data quality issue, to have proper display. Okay, this is fine. Next thing is that what? How to handle nulls? How to handle nulls? Tell me. Tell me.
Using NVL.
NVL2.
Okay,
If
see.
null.
So NVL, Coalesce, NVL2. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay. Next step is that what? Okay, next step is that what? How to handle. Okay. Now NVL having how many arguments?
Two
Two
arguments.
arguments.
Having two arguments. Okay, see, Coalesce will having how many arguments?
Multiple.
Arguments.
N arguments. What about NVL2?
Three
Three.
arguments.
Three arguments. Okay, see, NVL nothing but what? Handles only null
Null.
values. Okay, see, NVL and Coalesce will have, okay, what is the, it will pick first not null value. It will handle null plus not null records. Okay, this is the functional. So next question is that what? How to extract null records. Tell me how to extract null records. Tell me how to extract null records.
Is null.
Where
Tell me.
is null?
Tell me.
Is null.
How to extract null is by saying is null concept. Okay. How to extract not null records?
Is not null.
Tell me. Is
Not null.
not null. Okay. See how to extract not null records. Say is not null. Okay. See is not null. Got the pointer. So this is the functional. Clear so far? Any assignment so far? So this is okay, is null and is not. We'll see the same thing and we'll close this topic. Let me go back here. Okay, see the same thing. Let me come to this topic. Okay, Control X. Like this only you should understand what is what. Okay, so this kind of. Now see here what happened. So here this is okay. Suppose like let me play this album. Suppose see here what happened for all these employees. I want to add 10,000. How to add 10,000 for all these employees? Tell me.
Salary plus 10,000.
Tell me.
Update.
Arithmetic operation.
Where salary?
Tell me.
No.
Salary column plus 10,000.
Salary plus. Salary plus.
10,000.
Tell me.
10,000.
So salary
10,000.
plus 10,000. See here what happened. So see what happened. What's my salary? Our salary. This is the existing salary. Salary, comma, salary plus
10,000.
10,000. 10,000. Okay, see 10,000. Okay. Now we'll get what? So see we'll get. What we'll get? 60,000, 50,000 like this. What about last two values?
Null.
Null.
It will be
Null.
null. Why? Because reason?
And null cannot, no operation cannot be done with null.
Tell me.
Null plus
Null.
Vertical
any
operations
operation
cannot be
Null
done.
value.
Okay, see, just
Null
now
plus
discussed
anything
now.
is null.
Whatever the operations perform with null, it will give null only. Tell me, it's correct, huh? Because all the employees should get 10,000. Tell me, it's not correct. Now, how to rectify this issue?
Using NVL function.
NVL function. See the same thing. So see NVL of salary, comma 0. Tell me. Okay, see what happened. So now what will get 85,000 comma 0? What will get output?
85,000.
85,000. 50,000 comma 0?
50,000.
50,000. Null comma 0?
0.
0. Null comma 0? 0. See,
Zero.
wherever null is there, we are trying to make it into 0, 0, 0. Okay, so this is the functionality. Now what happened? Now we can put plus 10,000. Got the point? See, remember, when you are performing any operation, arithmetic operations, we should handle nulls. Okay, see the same thing. So this is the functionality. So we are getting null. Why? Because if I directly put, okay, see salary plus 10,000, what happened? Tell me, we'll get null value. Reason is that what? Because whatever the operations perform with null, it will give null only. That's why what we are going with. First, we are trying to handle null values, salary comma 0 plus salary comma 0. Wherever null is there, okay, salary, wherever null is there, we are making it to 0 and we are trying to add it to, see here 0 is there, try to add with 1000 because functionality is that what? Functionality is that what? Functionality is that what? So wherever null is there, it will make it in. Okay, see wherever null is there, okay, see it will come as null only because whatever the operations perform with null will give null only. Tell me, can I go for a Coalesce? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Coalesce also it will be the same function.
Okay.
Control C, Control V, Coalesce. Coalesce also will give the same function. You got the point? So far, this is the functionality. Okay, how to put the prop heading?
Column alias.
Column alias, column alias. Okay, see, column alias, we can able to make it working. Clear so far? So this is the functionality. And also so far, this is, so NVL, NVL2, Coalesce. Okay, see, this is functionality. Now see, this is so far good. Okay, let me come here. Select it, start from employee. It is projecting all the columns and all the records. Okay, so all the records. Now see here what happened now. I want to display NA. Wherever name is null, I want to display NA. How to display NA? Tell me.
NVL2.
NVL2. Why NVL2?
No,
So
no,
null suggests I want to handle this. No, NVL or Coalesce. Okay, simply I want to handle null values. Okay, see, simply can go for NVL or we can go for Coalesce. Okay, see, this is the functionality. Same thing now. What happened? One more use case. Okay, so phone. This is one concept. Come on, phone. So see, wherever null is there, we're getting this value. Now see, your point is that what? Okay, see, point is that what? Now, wherever null is there, I want to put, okay, 0. How to put 0? Wherever null is there, I want to put, we should go for what? Go for NVL, Coalesce, we can able to make it working. So this is important. Comma 0. Okay, so this is fine. But what happened, wherever null is there, instead of 0, I want to make it to NA. Tell me it work?
Yes, it
See the same thing. It says numeric value NA is not recognized. If I put 0, it is working fine. But when I put NA, what's happening? It's saying numeric value is not recognized. Anybody tell me? Simple issue. What is the issue?
Data type issue.
Tell me.
Data type is number for the phone number.
Okay, see now what happened. So this is string. Varchar is working, but it's a number string. So if I put something like 100, it is working fine. But when I put NA, why it's not working? Because so compulsory, if I want to perform NVL, Coalesce compulsory should have what? Same data type should be there. Same data type should be there. Now see here what happened. This is a number and this is a string. Now how to rectify this issue? We should convert. We should convert our number into string. How to convert our number into string? We can go for toChar, or we can go for cast, or we can go for ::varchar. Now this is, now it is what? It's a varchar. Got the point? Getting a little bit. So this is a functionality. Okay, see. So because now make sure like all should have same data type should be there. Okay, got the point. So this is the functionality. We'll go for intro questions.
Can you explain the use case for NVL2?
NVL2. Okay, see, go back here. Select star from employee. Now phone is there, phone. Now see, point is that what? Okay, see, requirement is that what? If phone number is available. I want to, okay, I want to get output as first three characters. Remaining, I want to get excess. Okay, phone number is not a null value. I want to get. If it is a null value, I want to put NA. So I want to handle null values as well as not null values. Then you should go for which concept? Go for what? Go for NVL2. So see, okay, see NVL2. Phone is there. If it is null, if it is null, we are getting, we should displace NA. If it is not, we need to what? We need to suppose like, see, I want to extract only first part. Okay, see, phone, comma, 1, comma, 3. 1, comma, 3. Okay. Now see, getting the point. So see, so I want to make it to padding with X6. We can go for L pad also. Okay. So here point is that what if it is null, I want to display NA. If it is not null, I want to do masking. So this is one concept.
Oh, could you
Okay,
show
this
the
is
query?
query. Okay, see the same thing. See. So NVL2, this is the phone. We want to check it's a null value or not null value. If it is null, directly go to the third argument. Let's say, see, it's giving NA at the last. Okay, if it is not null value, I want to masking. First extracting first three, remaining, I'm trying to make it to pairing.
Okay. Yeah.
So this is the
Better case is first like in salary into 10. So in that case, we can use this NVL2. So it will work.
salary where?
Yeah, in the first example, it works properly, I guess. Okay. So salary into 10, we have done it, right?
Salary plus
So salary plus 10,000.
NVL2.
Salary. Salary. Salary plus 10. Null.
Null? No, not.
Yeah, because if like sorry, 0. Not null, it's a 0. So if a salary comes as a null, then it will give as a 0. Otherwise, it will add.
No. For this guy also, he's also employee. No, like bonus. He's also employee. She get 10,000.
We can keep in place of 0, we can keep
We should
10,000.
10,000.
Yeah, which is 0 plus 10,000. Yeah.
10,000. So this is the way. Okay, see, just now we can able to make. We can do NVL. Okay. So generally, no NVL handle, we can go for NVL. Because simply I won't handle null, no. The signal. Okay, see. So simply I want to put NVL2. So this is 3 arguments. Instead of thinking what happened, NVL, okay, salary, comma 0 plus 10,000. Okay, it's a simple, no? Both will be same. Okay.
Okay.
So if it's simple now, if you just I want to handle nulls, just you can go for NVL. If I want to handle null as well as null value, then go for NVL2. And generally remember in real time work most in the Coalesce function because they have n number of arguments will be available. Got the point? Huh? So this is so far good. Okay. So let me go to the examples. Okay. Tell me automatic operations on a null value solver to null value.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay,
True.
that's what no. So true only. Okay. So what about last one? Columns of any data type can contain nulls. Huh?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Yes. Correct. Only. So what about second one? Null is a value that is unavailable, unassigned, unknown, or inapplicable. True or false?
True.
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 True. What about third one? Null is same as
False.
0 or blank space. Huh?
False.
False.
So null
False.
cannot be compared. Okay, we can be compared by saying is null and is not null. Tell me concat of null comma string.
Null.
Null only. We
Null.
get.
Null.
Null only. Okay. Now see here what happened. Wherever null is there, I want to get NA. This is important. Tell me how to get
NVL.
NVL input
of,
input
NA.
comma NA and Coalesce input comma
comma
NA. We can able get.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is the function. Okay. So far good. Okay. Now what about this one? Tell me. What is the result of the query? Salary is 3000, commission is null. Tell me, what is output? 3000 plus null?
Null.
Null. If I want to get 3000, what I should do?
NVL of commission,
NVL
Handle
comma
nulls
0.
with
So
the-
three NVL of commission, comma 0.
Plus null.
0. Okay, so this is a function. Okay. What about this one? Tell me. This one. So first name, middle name, last name. Okay, see. Let me take the screenshot. So these are the intro questions only. Okay. So first name, middle name, last name. Okay, tell me. Now I'm getting Sam. I'm getting Todd. I'm getting
Wholesale I
Sarah,
can use.
Ben,
Okay.
James. Tell me they
So
want to get
Coalesce
first not null value. How to get the first
Wholesale.
not null value? We can go for NVL,
NVL
Coalesce.
Coalesce.
But NVL having how many arguments?
Two.
Two
Two.
arguments.
But here
NVL
how
have
many?
only 2 arguments.
But we should go for Coalesce. Okay, see what is output?
Coalesce.
Select
Coalesce.
Coalesce. First name, middle name,
First name,
last
middle
name. Here from the table, it will pick the first not null value. That's the function. Okay. So what about NVL? NVL won't work.
No. Two.
Why
Work,
now?
we within the NVL we can use another NVL. Right?
Now tell me. Now first, what's output? Sam.
Sam.
Todd. Then
Todd.
null.
Null.
Then we'll get what?
Null.
Ben.
Null.
Ben.
James.
Okay, see, Sam is there, Todd is there, Ben is there, James is there. Now Sarah we need to get. Now see, can I put one more outer NVL?
Yes.
Comma.
Yes, sir.
Last name. See, point is that what, see, now we can go for. So see, NVL. First name, comma, middle name. To this one more, we can put one more outer NVL. Okay, NVL, comma, last name. That's we can go for multiple ones. Yes, see, so see, we are getting. So issue with Sarah. Sarah is there where? Sarah is the same. We can put one more NVL, comma, last name. So like say, you can able to make it. So this is the functional. You should do task. These are the questions, intro questions asked in. See, this is the functional. Now tell me this. What about this one? Sam, Rupa, Gopal. Same thing. It's also algebraic null. How to get?
Wholesale. Or
Tell me.
NVL. Nested.
Union all.
Union all, not union all. This is not result set. Coalesce no. First not null value. Coalesce no. Coalesce. See. So remember. So set operators when you go for set when a result set. This is not a result set. This is a single table. I want to get first not null value. You can go for Coalesce of name, comma, name 2, comma, name 3. Or NVL of name, comma, name 2. Okay, outer NVL, comma, name 3. This is the function. Got the point. So you should do the task as in this task, make it work. Okay, clear so far? So you should do, okay, so this is important. Null's concept are very, very important. Okay, without null, nothing will be there. Got the point? Yes, so now see what happened. Now here, wherever null is there, I want to display NA. How to display NA?
NVL.
Null of
NVL of receive date, comma,
column, comma, NA.
Date, comma, NA.
NA, receive date. No, here no need. It's a string, no need. What about here receipt number? NA. Tell me it work?
No, it's
number and string. We should convert receipt number into string. Okay, with the help of colon, 2char or cast. So then we can able to convert this functionality. Got the point. So this there we can able to see. We'll see one more time tomorrow case statement. That's important. We'll come to this topic.
Sir, how about the second column? Is it date, time?
It's a string now. We are converting into this format now. 2char format. It's a string. So see, in database, different format is there. Okay. So remember, in Snowflake database format is what? YYMMDD. But it's in different formats, a string. By using 2char, we are converting. Now it's a string and a string, it will work. But it's a number, string won't work. We should convert our number into string and make it to, okay, see, convert with the help of 2char, cast, colon, and use the NVL concept. This is the function. Got the point? Send one.